Famag, for better drilling, is presenting the Bormax 2.0 at Ligna 2017. And with me now is Andreas from Famag. Andreas, what's new about the Bormax 2.0?
Everyone already knows our Famag Bormax that we launched many years ago. We have now significantly improved it once again by adding additional waves to the side of the split circumference cutter that you already know from the Bormax. This avoids a build-up of too much heat while drilling. The usual problem when drilling into hardwood or a coated board is there is a lot of friction on the circumference cutter. The split design of this cutter reduces that friction. Another problem that you have with a standard Forstner drill bit with a continuous blade is that you get relatively wide shavings while drilling. The shavings move out through the chip channel and after a while start wrapping themselves around the drill bit. That makes deeper drillings problematic. On the Bormax 2.0, this main cutter is split by those chip-breaking grooves. They are offset from blade to blade. That means that where one blade has a ridge, the other one has an indentation. This makes for very thin shavings, and those shavings are cut off every half revolution. That generates a lot of very small shavings that can be disposed of much better than with a standard Bormax. I would like to show you how that works.
That's exactly what I just wanted to suggest. Okay, then give it a go. Let's have a look at the Bormax 2.0 in action.
You can see the creation of very small shavings here, and I can really make use of the whole effective length of the drill bit without having to lift it. And just have a look at the side of this drill hole, you could almost cut your finger on it.
Who is Bormax 2.0 for? Which customers is it interesting for?
In general, it's interesting for every customer who needs to drill wood. The Forstner drill bit is the typical wood drill bit mainly used by professional craftsmen, carpenters, cabinet makers, joiners. But lots of hobby woodworkers have this kind of drill bit at home in their tool cabinet in the basement.
So, Andreas just showed us a few possible uses for the Bormax 2.0, but there are many more. And Justin is going to show us them now.
A general problem when center points are too short is that my angle of attack, so the drilling angle, is very limited. We offer a very simple solution, the Bormax Prima. I can simply loosen and push out the center point with a grub screw and replace it with a 4mm pre-drilling bit, for instance. That allows me to drill with quite a steep attack angle and drill angle.
Looking at the table here, I can see lots of different drill bits. So there are even more possible applications, right?
Yes, exactly. We also offer a larger version besides this Bormax Prima. This one. They are available with diameters of up to 120 millimeters, and they can be used either with a guiding pin, a center drill, or even a longer pre-drill bit. They also give me the possibility to drill with very steep attack angles and very large diameters. When working with construction wood, you typically pre-drill with an auger bit and then extend with a tenon cutter.
Lots of possible uses with the Bormax 2.0, presented by Famag at Ligna 2017.